Hello. What we did yesterday, we did this speaking. Complete the sentences under each. Well, we talked about what we like about our country, what we don't like. For example, some people said my favorite thing about Spain is the weather. My favorite thing about Spain is the food. Or my favorite thing about the country are the people. Yeah, and things I don't like. I don't like the weather. I don't like. I don't know. I don't like the celebrations. Yeah, això ho vàrem xerrar, d'acord? Que mos agrada i que no mos agrada del nostre país. And then we read this. Aquí havíem llegit què opinen els estrangers d'Anglaterra. What do foreigners think about Britain? And here's what British like about Britain. Que els agraden els britànics de Gran Bretanya i vàrem completar això, d'acord? Multiculturalism, the language, gardens, the freedom, llibertat, BBC, pubs, the weather, and Indian food. Yeah? Aquest era aquest exercici. Havíem de llegir això. So, for example, English is international, I speak English, you speak English, I don't have communication problems. Els idiomes, anglès és internacional, jo xerro anglès, tu xerres anglès, no tinc problemes de comunicació. Well, gardens, my garden is small, but I have flowers and vegetables in it. When the sun is out, I sit in the garden and I feel really happy. Jardins, el meu jardí és petit, però jo tenc flors i verdures, i quan surt el sol m'assequen el jardí i estic molt contenta. Yeah? Freedom, I wear what I want, I say what I want, I do what I want. Llibertat, duc posat el que vull, dic el que vull, faig el que vull. Això contrast is a contrast with someone. Yeah, this one, Shurok, she's from Oman. She said in Oman, people were not free, especially women, and in the UK, yes, that's what she said. The BBC, listen to the radio in the morning, and I watch TV in the evening. A lot of programs are interesting, funny, or educational, sometimes all three. La BBC, escolta la ràdio al matí, i mires la tele a l'hora baixa. Hi ha molt de programes que són interessants, divertits o educatius, i de vegades les tres coses. Yeah, the BBC és com aquí la primera. There's a lot of channels, hi ha molt de canals, and there's a lot of radio channels, i canals de ràdio de la BBC. And BBC is funded through a TV license. People pay £150 every year to fund the BBC. A la BBC se paga amb un impost especial que s'anomena llicència de televisió, que s'ha de pagar cada any i si no, no se pot veure a la tele. Yeah? Pubs, pubs. We drink there, we eat there, the food is now very good. Dinam, o sigui, no, menjam i bebem i menjam allà, i el menjar és molt bo. The weather is cold but not very cold, it's hot but not very hot, it rains but it doesn't rain every day, fa fred però no molt, fa calor però no molt, i plou però no plou cada dia. Indian food, my boyfriend cooks fantastic curries, and the UK is great for Indian restaurants. El meu nòvio, cuina curris molt bons i en el Regne Unit hi ha molt de restaurants hindús fantàstics. D'acord, then, verb phrases. Aquest vocabulari són verbs i un nom, o verbs i un sintagma preposicional. Tenim, per exemple, cook. Cook dinner. Cuinar sopar. Do. Do 14. Do the housework. Fer net. Do the housework. Do exercise, fer exercici, and do your homework, fer deures. Tenim drink, drink mineral water, beure aigua mineral. Recordeu que sparkling or still, sparkling és aigua amb gas, still és aigua normal, sense gas. Drink, okay, drive, drive a car, conduir un cotxe, drive a car. Eat vegetables, menjar verdures. Go to the cinema, anar al cine. Have a garden, tenir un jardí. Like animals, t'agraden els animals. Listen to music, escoltar música. Live in a flat, viure un pis. Need 22. Need a new phone, necessitar un telèfon nou. Play 12. Play tennis and the guitar. Play tennis or play the guitar. Tocar o jugar. Read a book, llegir un llibre. say sorry, dir per demanar perdó. També podem dir apologize per dir demanar perdó. Speak German, xerrar alemany. Speak English, speak Spanish, speak Catalan. Yeah. Study history, estudiar història, study math, study everything. Yeah. Take an umbrella, agafar un paraigua. Take an umbrella. Want coffee, voler un cafè. Watch TV, mirar la tele, watch TV. Wear glasses, dur ulleres. Lentilles als contacts, yeah? And work in an office, fer feina en una oficina. Després vàrem xerrar si necessitaven cafè, si feien feina en una oficina, etc. Vàrem xerrar amb aquestes frases. We talked a little bit. I què més vàrem fer? We did this, okay. Vàrem fer jobs, yeah? Here you have reading page, the words, vocabulary, verb phrases, and then jobs. We talked about jobs. These are a lot of jobs, but we talk about what is your job. I'm a teacher. What is your job? What, for example, your parents. What was your parents' job? De què feien feina o de què fan feina? What is your parents' job? De què fan feina els vostres pares? I també vam xerrar de when you were a kid, when you were a child, what was your dream job? Quan era un nin, quina era la feina que volíeu ser, quina és la feina dels vostres somnis, yeah? For example, when I was 5, I think I wanted to be a vet. And when I was 12, 10, 12, I wanted to be an astronomer, and I still want to, but I'm not gonna be. And now I wish I was, ara m'agradaria ser, I wish I was an astronomer or an astronaut. Astronomer, astronaut, I would like that a lot. Okay, so here, architect, 1, arquitecto. Number 2 is an administrator, administradora, yeah, administrator, funcionaria. Number 3 is a vet. Number 4 is a dentist. Where is the dentist? A dentist, dentista. Number 5 is a nurse. She's a nurse, una enfermera. She's a nurse. Number 6, he's a builder, un obrero, un albañil, a builder. Number 7 is a chef or a cook. So a chef is the boss, yeah. A cook is less than a chef, és menos que, no? Un cuiner. Un chef o un cuiner. A cleaner, well, sorry, a chef. Number 8 is an engineer. An engineer, un ingeniero, an engineer. Number 9 is a soldier. A soldier. He's in the army, he's a soldier, yeah. Number 10, she is a journalist, I think. Number 10, where is number 10? Here, a journalist, periodista, a journalist. Number 11, he is a factory worker, fa feina a una fàbrica. He's a factory worker. Number 12 is a lawyer, yeah, és un advocat, he's a lawyer. Number 13, he's a footballer, futbolista. 14, she is a bank manager, una directora de banc, a bank manager. Number 15, she's a sales assistant or a shop assistant, dependienta. Number 16, she's a model. Modelo. Number 17, he's a doctor, metge. 18, she's a musician. 19, he's a hairdresser. 20, he's a waiter. A waitress, a woman. A waiter, a man, yeah? 21, a pilot. 22, a flight attendant. Azafata, azafato. Now, before it was air hostess, azafata. but flight attendant is gender neutral, not the gender. 23 is a police officer, policeman or policewoman. So she's a police officer or she's a policewoman. If it was a man, it's a policeman or a police officer. Police officer for men and women, yeah. 24, she is a receptionist, I guess. Yeah. 24. Where is it? I can't find it now. Engineer, no. Okay, receptionist. Receptionista, receptionist. 25, she's a teacher. A teacher is for kids and for teenagers and for example, escola de idiomas. In college, university, is a professor, yeah? But the others are teachers. I'm a teacher, but if I was teaching at university, I would be a professor. 26, he's an actor. He's an actor. Actor or actress, actress. 27, actress for women, yeah. 27, she is a cleaner, limpiadora. 28, he's an accountant, contable. 29, he's a taxi driver. He's a taxi driver, 29. And 30, she is, or he is, no, she is a guide. She's a guide, tourist guide, una guía turística. Yeah? And that's what we did. So see you Wednesday. Bye.